When the night is dark and I lose my way, your light shines bright, turning night to day. When my heart feels weak and my strength is gone, your love reminds me I must go on.
Through every storm, through every fear, I feel your presence always near.
You lift me higher, higher than my pain. Your love washes me like the rain. I won't be afraid. I know you're near. Your voice is the only one I hear. You lift me higher, higher above, holding my life in your endless love.
Every step I take, you guide my road. You carry my heart, you lift my soul.
When the world feels heavy, oh my night, your grace reminds me, hope I'll find.
Through every battle, through every fight, your word becomes my shining light.
You lift me higher, higher than my pain. Your love washes me like the rain. I won't be afraid. I know you're near. Your voice is the only one I hear. You lift me higher, higher above, holding my life in your endless love. I will sing, I will praise all my life, all my days.
Even in the darkest night, Lord, your love will be my light.
You lift me higher, my Savior, my King. To your name, forever I will sing. Through every storm, I will stand strong. With you, my